The machinery maker Leicht is well known among industry experts as a manufacturer of large, precision-engineered components, some of which are manufactured in climate-controlled facilities. A new industrial building now serves as a surface treatment center in which SLF technology is used to wash, coat, and dry these workpieces. The requirements of the day-to-day coating activities reflect the diversity of large workpieces that will be used in the construction of special machines, machine tools, and ship motors. The SLF washing and coating stations are located directly next to each other. 3 gantry cranes with 40-ton capacities move the workpieces to their desired positions. The first step is to remove oil and lubricants left behind by the production process. The gantry crane positions all of the workpieces in front of the washing hall. The cabin now advances over the work surface in 3 telescoping stages and then closes by means of a rolling gate. The walls are made completely from stainless steel in order to protect against corrosion. At the central control panel, a single switch places all of the machinery in the washing cabin on standby. The high-pressure cleaning lance uses a cleaning solution approved by the airline industry and kept at a temperature of 70 degrees. The solution is formulated to support fast drying. Noteworthy about this concept is the use of a special cleaning agent that makes it possible to use a single-stage design for this unit. The usual process of rinsing the workpieces with fresh water is no longer necessary. Because this degreasing agent contains anti-corrosion components, it is possible to temporarily store the workpieces after cleaning. The system is easy to use, requires no alternating baths whose contents may be carried over from bath to bath, and produces a uniformly good result on a daily basis. The comfortably illuminated work area always provides a clear view of the workpiece because the extraction system captures the steam generated by the work process before releasing it to the outside environment. A mist eliminator in the exhaust air line prevents the escape of water with the exhaust air stream. The required volume flow of 10,000 cubic meters per hour is part of the self-regulating ventilation concept for the building. The sprayed cleaning solution is collected, returned, and recycled without the creation of wastewater. Water and chemical consumption is extremely low because almost no carryover takes place and because the washing solution, which is kept in a closed-loop cycle, is cleaned in a treatment station. An impressive cleaning system ensures that all solid residue is trapped by a belt filter and that demulsified oils and lubricants are removed in a coalescence separator. Only the compact mass of waste material that has been filtered out must be disposed of at regular intervals. This bath must also be renewed with 2 cubic meters of content roughly every 6 months, and the old content must be disposed of as special waste. After this process step, the telescoping cabin returns to its original position. Compressed air is used to blow off the remaining moisture. Once the workpiece is dry, the gantry crane can quickly move it to the SLF open space coating station. The ventilation technology with its long-range nozzles was installed completely above the gantry cranes. A large workpiece is just now leaving our installation, which can process workpieces up to 12.5 meters in length. There is always ample space to complete the different kinds of prep work, which primarily includes the masking of plane surfaces and flange connection points. Coating of the workpiece now takes place in the open space spraying area without the need for a spraying cabin. By using special long-range nozzles, the heated air is directed in a targeted way at the coating technician, all according to the rules and guidelines of the trade associations and European norms. The vertical airstream collects the overspray and contaminants and guides them to the in-floor extraction system. This arrangement gives the coating technician the freedom of movement that allows him to choose at any time between a hanging and horizontal workpiece. A clear view of the workpiece and uniform lighting conditions contribute to the excellent results. The drying process takes place in another telescoping cabin, which is closed before the process begins. If needed, the clearly arranged control panel can graphically display the status of any step in the drying process. Here we can see the burner ignite and the temperature rise. The cabin air is heated to 60 degrees Celsius for the drying process. In the meantime, let's take a closer look at the design of the in-floor extraction system. Here, roughly 70% of the coating particles are pre-separated by the heavy load impact separator developed by SLF. An overspray collector made of a U-shaped piece of sheet metal is located on top of the underlying profile. When enough overspray is collected on it, the collector can be replaced and discarded. The particle collection tray is located beneath the load-bearing profile of the impact separator. The tray is covered with an overspray collector made of simple aluminum foil that can be changed in a matter of seconds. This results in the downstream filter cassette having a much longer service life. This represents a significant advantage over conventional grate-based systems with underlying filtration mats. When compared to conventional systems, this technology has been shown to save up to 80% on maintenance costs. The impact separator can be cleaned in unused areas of the installation, even during actual operation. Fresh air in the drying cabin is supplied by the same ventilation system used to provide air to the open space spraying area. You can see that SLF installations are custom made to meet the precise needs of our customers. At Maschinenbau Leicht, workpieces weighing many tons are machined to tolerances of 1/1000th of a millimeter and are subsequently washed, coated, and dried in the shortest possible time with minimal maintenance and disposal costs. It's a good thing when our plant concept reduces labor-intensive handling time, saves energy, and lowers maintenance costs. When can we build an installation for you?